Problem number 1 on the review. Use the dot pattern to answer the following questions. Draw or explain what figure 4 and 5 would look like. Your job was to figure out how the pattern changed. Draw 4, draw 5. Let's look at some examples. Assume the pattern continues to increase by the same number of dots in the same location for each figure. Sketch the fifth figure. When you're looking at these, you can count total number of dots, but you also want to notice how it is changing. When I look at figure 1, there's 1 dot. Figure 2 also has that same 1 dot, but 2 have been added to the bottom. Figure 3 has the exact same piece figure 2 had. A third row has been added. Figure 4 has figure 3 on top, and a fourth row has been added. Which means if this pattern were to continue, the fifth figure is going to have all of figure 4. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, then 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, and 1. This is figure 4. In order to make it figure 5, I've noticed that each time they add a new row on the bottom that has 1 more. So figure 5 is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots on the bottom. If I were to continue and do figure 6, I would draw all of figure 5 and add a 6th row on the bottom. One more example. Figure 1 has 1 dot. Figure 2 gets taller and longer. It gets 1 dot taller and 2 dots longer. That same original starting point is still there. Figure 3 now has 2 because again it got 1 taller and it has 4. 2 more have been added to the bottom. Figure 4 is 3 tall and has 6 along the bottom. Therefore, figure 5 has the beginning dot, just as they all did. I'm going to add 2 more to the bottom. So I'm going to have a total of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to have 4 going up. With patterns, you need to figure out what remains the same and what piece changes. Now take a look at the original problem. What stays the same and what is changing every time?